This video outlines in short how to fill out one of the 3 subsections of the Part 1 section in an initial clinical trial application. The Products subsection. In the Sponsor workspace, in Products subsection of Part 1, use the Lock button to expand the area and work on the various subsections. If you click on the Register button, you will be redirected to the Extended Udrovigilance Medicinal Product Dictionary page, where you can register new products or substances. Click on the Add button to retrieve product details that are already registered in the Udrovigilance database. Select the role of the product. In this example, a test product will be selected for inclusion in the application. It is mandatory to have at least one test product in the application. A drop-down for the test card appears. Click on the arrow, and then, click on the Add button below. In this example, an authorized substance is selected. In the pop-up form, insert a value in the mandatory field name. Use the other fields, or the drop-down list on the upper right corner, to better define your criteria, and to narrow down your results, and click on the Search Substances button. Select the substance from the results. And in the end of the window, click on the Add Substance button. Click on the arrow with the added test role and substance to expand the working area again, as you need to populate additional details. Click on the selected substance to reveal subsections that need to be populated. Structured data fields for the product will need to be completed. Expand the Product Characteristics subsection. And from the drop-down list, select one or more values. Open the Dosage and Administration Details subsection. Fill in the mandatory fields, indicated with asterisks. Open the subsection below to indicate whether the selected medicinal product has been modified in relation to its marketing authorization. Open the Orphan Designation subsection to report whether the selected medicinal product has an orphan drug designation. Scroll down, in the following subsections, where you need to upload documents. Expand the investigator brochure for the medicinal product and upload the investigator brochure document, or the Summary of Product Characteristics document. At least one of the 2 documents should be provided. More documents need to be uploaded in the rest subsections. Scroll down to the last subsection of Part 1, where all the uploaded documents are listed. This video is part of the CTIS training program. For more information on the structure and content of Sponsors subsection, or of the remaining subsections for trial details and products, in Part 1 section of a clinical trial application, you may visit our training platform and our additional materials.